Hi there. These days, everybody's talking about the ChatGPT, and I think my understanding was people are just parroting and without looking at them seriously, plus without understanding the full depth of the artificial intelligence. Suddenly, I thought of seeing whether ChatGPT ChatGPT can analyze a particular stuff that I'm interested in for a long time, and I just gave a couple of commands, and believe it or not, it came up with some fantastic results. So what I'm going to do is, rather than going through so much of financial reports and drafts, I'm going to keep this one, keep modifying whatever I want to see, and whenever I need to look at a share, I give this prompt, and I'm sure it will save me lots of time. ChatGPT can be used for various purposes, including your stock analysis. Just see, try yourself, and then you will realize the value of it. Thank you.